Hey y'all, hey, spring clean my house with me today. Well, not really the whole house. It's kind of like a series, so spring clean the living room with me today. Yeah, that sounded about right. Y'all, I've been to the eye doctor twice this week to get those glasses fixed. If she break them again, she lie. For this part, I went over with the dry one first, and then I wet my second dust glove or whatever with like some cleaning supplies, some hot water, some cleaning supplies, and I wiped it down. I pretty much did the same thing for everything. I did a dry dust, and then I did like a disinfectant / sanitation dust afterwards. one point, I used to dust the spider webs every single day the way that they would accumulate. And after a while, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get them spiders when I get them because, baby, I don't got time to be fighting with y'all every day. And so here I am now, spring cleaning, dusting the spider webs. So usually when I mop the wall, I use my actual mop, but I have two mop heads. I have my mop head that I mop the whole house with, and then I have my mop head that I mop the bathrooms with. And well, they were both kind of like occupied, so I had this Swiffer in the closet, and I had some dry sheets. So what I did was I dipped the dry sheets in my little disinfectant water, and then wrung it out and put it on the Swiffer, and then mop the walls with the Swiffer. Totally off subject, y'all, but is it me? Is it the angles? Or am I thick as fuck? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Let me know. Also, my little pudge going away. So proud of me, girls. So proud of me. y'all enjoyed the video, drop some orange hearts in the comments, okay? Thank y'all for staying. Love you. Bye.